Namaskaram. I am continuing with the parts of the body, remaining parts of the body. See, the 57 one is a breast. A breast, there are two names, Marbu, Ma-irbu, or Bulai. Actually, as per literary wise, see, there's a difference. Marbu means normally we say the chest of the breast of the gents, and Bulai means just breast of the female. So that's why Marbu or Mulai, it represents the breast. Then comes arm. Arm means bhujam. That which is not having any arm, it's called bhujam. Bhujam, bhujayim. That's why a snake has got in Sanskrit, there's a name called bhujangam, bhuja angam. It is not, it's have a body only with the arm, no other thing, hand or leg. That's why it's called bhujangam, bhuja angam. Then skull. Skull is a heaviest part of the body. It's called Mandai Odu. Mandai Odu. The skeleton. Skeleton is a bony structure, entire bony structure from head to foot. So Elimbu. Elimbu means bone. Elimbu Kodu. Yes, again, next. Elimbu Kodu. Normally you find the Parsi community, they donate entire body, and their skeleton is kept as a study material in the most of the labs in the college or for medicines. Now I am repeating once again. For breast we say Ma-irbu, Marbu or Mulai, and for arm we say Bhujam, Bhujayim, Bhujam, and for skull we say Ma-indai Odu, Mandai Odu, and for skeleton we say Elimbu Kodu. You know, the skull, you would have find certain magicians, they keep this skull for doing some magic power. We study, there are four types of Veda. One of the Veda is the Adharvana Veda. The Adharvana Veda, you will learn that all these magics with mantram and tantram and all. No? Even there are people in Kerala expert for doing this black magic and all, and remove the black magic. Special Nambudiris are there. You find normally in Kerala songs also. There is a place on the from Koilon to when you go from Koilon to Bhagavatipuram, on the borders of this thing, you find a small place Kottarakara. There is a place called Kottarakara. There you find most of these people who remove the spirits, like ghosts or spirits. So I am repeating once again. Marbu or Mulai means breast, arm bhujam, and Mandai Odu is skull, and Elimbu Kodu is the bony structure. Entire bony structure is called Elimbu Kodu. And 61 is armpit. I told you arm. The armpit is called Kashkam. Some people they say Kakkam. It's Kashkam. Ish in Kashkam. Then comes Om of the lady, Garbha Patra, Ga Ir Ba Pa It in Garbha Patra is Om. Then comes intestine, the large and small intestine. We say Periya. Normally we say intestine, we say Kudal. Ku Da Il Kudal. Ku Da Il. If it is small, we say small intestine, Chiru Kudal, and it's a big, we say Perugudal. Chirukudal or Perugudal. Then comes gland. I told you there are a lot of glands, 6 on the one side and 6 on the other side. There are 12 glands are there. You find there are 2 glands near the forehead, in our head. It's called pituitary gland and pineal body. And then near the throat, the saliva, there is a gland. This is called thyroid gland. Both sides we have a thyroid gland. Then here comes a thalamus gland near the lung, chest, and then gonad gland on our private parts, near the legs, the gonad glands. So like that there are many glands which secrete special enzymes. You know, somebody hurt this gland on the junction it gets swollen. So this protects our nerves and all. So gland. Surapi, we say Surapi. Surapi. Surapi means gland. I'm repeating once again. Armpit, we say Ka, Ishkam, Kashkam. For Om, we say Garbha, Pa, Itra, Garbha, Patra. Then for intestine, we say Kudail, Kudal. And for gland, we say Surapi. Surapi. The 65th one is elbow. It's called Murangai. This is called elbow. We say Murankai. Murankai or Muram means up to this is 12 inches. Then we fold it, it's called Murankai. Then femur. This is the strongest, longest bone in our body, in the leg. It's called femur bones. The femur bone is broken. People cannot even sit. That's a problem. Normally, elderly people, when they fall down, the femur bone breaks. So it's called femur, one big bone called femur. Todai elumbu. Todai means thigh. Todai elumbu. Elumbu means bone. Then there is another one called sternum, which is found in the chest. On the both sides, in the center it's called sternum. If sternum is broken, the lungs are broken. So this is a bony cage. The sternum is a main support for this chest. Sternum. We say marbu irumbu. Marbu irumbu. Marbu irumbu. Radius. Radius means aram irumbu. Aram means radius. Double the radius is called diameter, we say. So this is aram. Aram irumbu. Radius ulna, like that we say, this is called radius and ulna, that's the other one, ulna. So I'm repeating once again. For elbow we say Murankai. For femur, Todai elumbu. And for sternum we say Marb elumbu. And Aram elumbu means radius. See, this is radius and this is ulna. This bone is ulna. For ulna we say ulna elumbu. In Tamil we say ulna elumbu. Ulna elumbu means bone. And facial bones, in face of there are some bones, we say muga elumbu. Muga means face. Muga elumbu. Muga elumbu. I think the parts of the body is over.